Hello and welcome to the channel Fabrico. Today we're going to sew a jacket named Kelly. It's a women's knitted jacket in kimono style, off the shoulder with long sleeves. It features a neck band along the front and the side and a removable belt. The link to download this pattern you can find in the description box below the video. To sew this jacket, you need soft knitted fabric. Let's get sewing! Interface the shoulder cut of the back, pin, stitch and overlock at the same time the front and the back shoulder seams. Press the seam allowance towards the back. Pin the sleeves into the open armhole along the notches and sew in with an overlocker, evenly distributing the fit. Tighten the fit with an iron. Pin and stitch the side cuts and sleeves with a single seam using an overlocker. Press the seam allowances towards the back. Neckband. Sew the neckband pieces right sides together, press the allowances. Press the neckband in half, right sides inside. Overlock the bottom of the neckband at 7 mm or 1/4 of an inch, turn it inside out and press it. Overlock the bottom of the jacket and the bottom of the sleeves. Press the hem at the bottom. Place the neckband right sides together with the edge cut, bending the bottom of the jacket around the bottom of the neckband. Pin together, matching the notches and seams, and stitch using an overlocker. Press the seam towards the jacket. Top stitch along the bottom of the sleeve and the garment to the width of the hem. Press. Sew the belt loop. Place the belt right side inside and stitch it at 7 mm, leaving an unstitched hole to turn it inside out. Turn to the right side out and press, and give the jacket a final press.